Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing amazing as always. So on this video, as you can see, I am retwisting my client reattached dreadlocks. So as you know, previously I had reattached his old dreadlocks, and it's been about 8 months since we did that, and I have been retwisting it since then, but I haven't really taken a video. So today I decided to do that to show you guys the update, and for some of you who were asking me about any update, I decided to do this today so you guys can see. So as you can see, it's just a normal process because people were not sure how I actually can achieve a retwist on a reattached dread, but basically it's the same process that I use, and he prefers crochet method because I was trying to wrap it, like twist it normally with my hands, but he wanted it crocheted because then it stays on longer and it comes out neater and cleaner. Bearing in mind his head type is really like the kind that takes a while to get smooth and everything. But when I did this, whenever I do this with crochet, it does come out really good. So that's why he prefers to use the crochet method to retwist his dreads. So basically I'm just doing the normal thing that I would normally do, just interlock the crochet the hair with the crochet needle, and I just go on and until I'm done. So if you want to see how I did what I did towards the end, and which I showed at the beginning, he wanted to twist it, as you can see here. The only issue that we're having there, as you can see, is that the hair was a little bit thinner at the root, because then his old dreads were quite big. So the new hair growing out, for some reason, I think it's just a natural thing. When you get older, your hair will start kind of like to recede, so it's not as healthy and thicker as it used to be. So that's just what it is that's happening there. But the dread can handle it. So what I did towards the end was to twist the hair in two so that he can have a slightly different look, because why not? So if you want to see how I did that and the result, and obviously what differences it made on the hair, make sure that you watch this video to the end. And as I said before, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can keep up to date when I post everything that I do post, and yeah, take it from there. But other than that, there isn't much to talk about. It's just a matter of you just sitting and watching and enjoying yourself, and I do hope that you enjoy yourself watching it. But yeah guys, thank you for that, and I shall see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.
for a girl, you're so cute like that. She's like pumpkin.
I can't believe Sean Paul is good for him.
Oh yeah, he's an ambassador to Zoom dancer for Jamaica. He's doing well, man. He's from Taxi Rock.
His wife just had a baby.
Yeah. Imagine. Now, do you know his wife?
Oh yeah. Jordan. I think so. Actually looks really nice. Oh yeah.
I come from the on my head. And I'm looking at my friend. She'll be jealous.
So who does these hair?
That's it.
She does it by herself? What, braids and that?
Yeah.
Really?